Again guys, today I bring another website where you can make YouTube video under 5 minutes without recording any voice, without showing your face, without even writing any script. This is a website going to make you YouTube videos or YouTube shorts simply within 5 minutes. You can make video like this one. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial, so watch the video until the end. Now on the last video I talk about a buzzbeat.com. Here you can use to make a top 10 video for your YouTube, but we're going to take a look at this one called keyword to article videos, basically article to video converter. If you click open that, you need to put the keywords on here. So for example, in this case I want to put the keyword like SEO, right? And now it gives three options. One, I want to search for article about SEO. So if you're promoting an SEO affiliate link, SEO affiliate programs, you need to create a content, right? So if you click this one, if you go to Google and search for a blog post, they already written by others, you can convert that into videos. This kind of videos have an issue in the longer run, but short time is there's no issue with it, guys. The second one is called I want to paste an article. That if you already written an articles, you can just copy and paste it on here. Third one is I want to import an article. If you have a blog and you already written an articles, just copy and paste the link on here. But this one, I want to go with this first section called I want to search an articles about SEO. Click that and you're going to click next on it. And you can see these are the SEO articles. This website is pulling from Google. There's lots of articles. All you have to do is for the short term, it is all right with it because this article is written by someone else. You will get copyright claims and issue in the future, but you can promote affiliate offers for the short term. So here what you have to do is click any articles. So click this one and you're going to click next on it, and again you can see this pulled all the articles on here. Now to better videos, all you have to do is split these sentences or the paragraph into smaller sections so it can make a good video for you guys. Split that into half of the sentence, like a short sentence, so your video look nice and simple. After that, what you do, again click next, and this is the edit your articles. This is the section where you can see the titles and everything, so you can still show the article in a smaller section. You can see if we show the red, that means this sentence is long, you need to shorten that into smaller section. After that, what you do, after you shorten everything, click next on it. Now it automatically add the pictures and video for your paragraph and sentences. Click auto sign, and again like I said before in my previous video, click that in the middle section. It will put the relevant and creative videos and pictures for you. Click start processing, and you're going to click next step. This is the bonus section. If you are promoting any courses, affiliate offers, all you have to do is put the title and the link, so it will automatically say that in your videos that you are give away something, so that people can click in the on the description of that videos. Otherwise, click next, continue that video. On here you need to select, if you have own voiceover, you can upload it on here. If you can record your own voice. Otherwise, click computer generated, and you can click drop down menu. You select any voices you want from that menu. After that, what you do, click next, and within a couple of minutes it will automatically add that voiceover and pictures for your script and make your final video for you guys.
SEO, what is it? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization and is a set of methods that concentrate on improving the ranking of a website in the search engine listing. Similarly, SEO can also be considered as a subset of search engine marketing.
After your video is ready, make sure you can select any style you want. All you have to do is click that on here like this one, and it will automatically add it on here, guys. Again, on that right hand side, you can put the own watermark on here. You can put your own text or image on here. You can resize that video to vertical, square, up to your it depends on your social media. For Instagram, this one, TikTok or YouTube Shorts, this one. Actually, YouTube video is 16:9. And again, on the background, you can select any background covers and images and colors, guys. On font, again, you can select any font that you want. Even again, you will change that on here. After that, again, if you click special effect that you can even show what kind of special effect is showing on the title or on the heading. You can see, or you can change anything on here. It will automatically add the change on your video here. You can see the preview automatically, guys. If you click the music track, you can change any music from select stock music. These are royalty free stock music. You can change that, and you can change the background music volume to lower, and you can, this is your voice over volume. After that, if you click slide transition, it will show what kind of animation is using it and how long it doing that. You can see you can change the animation of each slide by clicking that here. Now after that, what you do, click next, and it will automatically take to this page. If you link your YouTube channel with this website, it will automatically upload that into YouTube. But otherwise, click next, and you can render that video and download that video into your computer. Now this is one way you can doing that. Again, if you go back to the search bar on here, and you can see, again, we go back to dashboard, click this one, and on here what you're going to do, you're going to type this one. You want to upload an article that you already written, right? So you're going to click this one, this section. This is an article written about exercising. So I'm going to copy this article, go back to that website. I'm going to put exercising on here. After you put that keyword, click this second one called I want to paste an article content manually, and you're going to click next on it. Again, on here you're going to copy and paste the articles like that, and you're going to copy this title. This is your title. After you copy and paste the articles, click next. Again, it's the same process. You need to check that articles, sentences. If the sentence is long, split that sentence into a smaller one, then click next. And again, repeat the same process, and your video will be ready in 5 minutes. So you can use this website to convert your articles into videos in 5 minutes. Again, I talk about the pricing section. Again, you can have a 5-day free trial. You can create unlimited videos without watermark and copyright claim, guys. If you want to use this website for in the future for your YouTube videos, all you need to go with this plan is $90 per month, which is $228 per year. But this plan is only available if you buy that on year plan. Otherwise, you have to pay $49 per month. But again, you have a 5-day free trial without watermark. You can download unlimited videos. So play around this website, and if this website useful, then buy that subscription. Otherwise, don't buy it, guys. And you can create unlimited videos. You can convert any text into videos using this website. Again, on the next tutorial, I'm going to talk about comparison videos, quiz videos, and newsletter to videos. Basically, how you can convert news into videos. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.